Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with the another makeup tutorial, and this time I'm going to create a purple theme makeup. Purple is my most favorite color in the world, so obviously it will going to be the best thing as far as now. Okay, so let's start without wasting a single second. So firstly I'm gonna take my moisturizer, which is Mamaearth Aloe Vera Gel. So now I'm going to have highlighter, which is Swiss Beauty Real Makeup Base Highlighting Primer. Don't forget your lips, because if you have highlighter foundation on your lips, your lipstick will it will look more amazing and refreshing. Next I'm going to use Swiss Beauty foundation. Okay, this one is enough for me. It is a full coverage, so I don't need to have concealer. Sometime in case of need, you can have, but not in much. Okay, so don't you dare laugh at me. This is my way of applying foundation, okay? Okay, so now I'm going to use Swiss Beauty Oil Control Compact Powder. You can easily guess that I have all the base products from Swiss Beauty brand, as it somehow suits my skin. Alright, so I'm going to use a blender for the final set-in. Alright, so now I'm going to begin with my eyebrows. So for my eyebrows, I'm again taking Swiss Beauty eyebrow and gel eyeliner and this brush to feel my brows. Okay, so I'm done with my brows. They're looking perfect. Okay, so now I'm going to begin with the eyeshadow, and for the base. Okay, so firstly I'm going to use this Bare color, this Bare shade to conceal my eyes, to just give it more natural look. You will see how it will work. Okay, I'm sitting very near to the light, so that's why my eyes are getting red, but I can easily see my flaws. Okay, I think they are ready. We will set it with like sponge after if it needs to be, otherwise there is no need. Okay, so it's perfect now. So I'm going to use spongy to just set in all of this. Okay, so now I'm going to use this color. I don't know if you can see that. This one, this is light purple, as my second base. It's going to look very pretty. So now I'm going to take this purple. This is dark purple, but this is in shimmer. This one was also in shimmer. So I'm gonna take this darker one. All right. So now I'm going to take this purple. This is a dark purple shimmer. I'm going to apply it with my fingers. You can see that. Alright, so now I'm going to take this color, this purple shade, this one, get this one, or I should use this one. Okay, this one. I'm going to take this shade of purple. Okay, so now I'm going to take this shade, this one. This is light purple in shimmer, and I'm gonna take it as my blush. It is in shimmer, so I don't need to use highlighter on my blush. You can see the difference. So now it's time for the mascara, and I'm going to use, okay, so I'm going to use Blue Heaven mascara. Okay, so finally I'm going to use lipstick, which is the Swiss Beauty lip gloss. Okay. Okay, I'm wearing this purple earrings to match the whole vibe. Alright, so this is my purple theme makeup. Okay, so this is my purple theme makeup. You know, I honestly feel like my eyeshadow is it's too dark with my outfit. But please do let me in the comment section that what you think about this makeup, and if you really think that this is up to the mark or I actually need to work more on it, because I gave my best. So okay everybody, thank you so much for watching my video. Do like, subscribe and share my video. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.